At 2:17 a.m., David Miller stared at his phone, refreshing emails that never came. No messages, no calls, just silence. What he didn't know then was that this silence wasn't just emotional, it was rewiring his brain. Neuroscientists say prolonged isolation can shrink the brain's motivation centers, weaken memory, and amplify fear. But here's the twist. The same brain that breaks in isolation can be rebuilt into something stronger. Stay tuned to the end as we uncover how isolation changes your brain and how you can turn loneliness into fuel for success. Welcome to Inspirational Stories, an encouragement channel. Here, we share powerful stories of resilience, faith, success, and triumph. Stories that will inspire you, ignite your passion, and empower you to succeed in every area of life. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the story. And now, today's story. Title: How Isolation Changes Your Brain. David Miller wasn't always alone. He had a job, friends, routines, until life quietly collapsed. A job loss turned into months of rejection. Friends drifted. Days blended into nights. Slowly, David stopped going out, stopped calling people, stopped believing he mattered. What David didn't realize was that isolation was changing his brain. Research shows that when humans lack social connection, the brain enters a threat state. Stress hormones like cortisol rise. The brain's reward system weakens, making joy harder to feel. Even simple tasks begin to feel heavy. Isolation doesn't just make you lonely, it trains your brain to expect rejection, danger, and failure. David felt it. His thoughts became darker. His confidence dropped. His world grew smaller. But then something unexpected happened. One evening, unable to sleep, David came across a short article about how the brain responds to isolation. It said something that stopped him cold. The brain is plastic. It can change again. Isolation reshapes the brain, yes, but intentional action can rewire it. The next morning, David made one small decision. He went for a walk. No music, no phone call, just movement. Scientists say physical movement increases brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a chemical that helps rebuild damaged neural connections. That walk didn't fix his life, but it cracked the door open. Just a quick break, please. If this story inspires you, kindly support our channel by subscribing and turning on the notification for more inspiring stories. Subscription is free. After watching, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you and welcome back. The next week, he joined an online class. Then he volunteered 2 hours a week. Social interaction, even brief, started activating parts of his brain that had gone quiet. His motivation slowly returned. His memory sharpened. His fear softened. Months later, David wasn't just back on his feet. He was building something new. The isolation that once weakened him had forced deep reflection. It taught him discipline, focus, and self-awareness. What once felt like a prison became a training ground. Here's the truth science and life both agree on. Isolation can damage the brain, but it can also awaken it. When you're alone, your mind listens more closely. When guided with purpose, solitude becomes strength. Practical tips to overcome isolation and rewire your brain. 1. Start with movement, not motivation. You don't need to feel ready. Movement creates readiness. A short walk, stretching, or light exercise activates brain chemicals that reduce stress and improve mood. Motion signals your brain that life is moving forward. 2. Create one daily human connection. It doesn't have to be deep. A short call, a message, a smile at a store, or an online group discussion counts. Research shows even brief social contact activates the brain's reward system and reduces feelings of threat and fear. 3. Speak your thoughts out loud. Isolation traps thoughts inside your head where they grow heavier. Saying them aloud, through journaling, voice notes, prayer, or conversation, helps the brain organize emotions and reduces mental overload. 4. Limit silent digital isolation. Scrolling without interaction increases loneliness. Replace passive screen time with purposeful use, learning a skill, joining a live session, or commenting meaningfully. Interaction matters more than consumption. 5. Build a simple routine. The brain feels safer with structure. Wake up, eat, move, and rest at consistent times. Routine restores a sense of control, which isolation often steals. 6. Serve someone, even briefly. Helping others activates empathy and purpose centers in the brain. Volunteering, mentoring, or checking in on someone else shifts your focus from lack to impact. 7. Practice self-compassion, not self-judgment. Isolation often comes with shame. Replace "What's wrong with me?" with "I'm human and I'm healing." Self-kindness reduces stress hormones and supports emotional recovery. 8. Take small steps, consistently. Big changes aren't required. Small, repeated actions reshape the brain over time. Progress is quiet but powerful. In closing, if you are feeling isolated right now, hear this clearly. Your brain is not broken. It is waiting for movement, connection, purpose, and hope. What you feel today is not your final form. Even one small action, a conversation, a walk, a decision, can begin to rewire your mind and redirect your future. Isolation does not define you. It is a season, not a sentence. Rise gently, step forward boldly, and remember, the same brain shaped by loneliness can be reshaped for greatness. Your comeback is already forming, just to remind you that you are not alone in this journey, and you are stronger than the silence you're facing. Keep going. Your brain, your future, and your story are still unfolding. I hope you are inspired by the story and learn valuable lessons from it. Thank you for watching. If today's story resonates with you, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more inspiring stories. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. I remain yours truly. From my heart to yours. Love and blessings. Titus Ogbetere. Shalom. You will succeed.